So please, Arvind, read the first question.
Which of the following statement about the reaction given below are incorrect?
Incorrect, they are asked. Not correct statement. Incorrect statement, we have to find it. So now, let us go into, before studying this one, so you can see here. So lead oxide reacting with the carbon, it is going to become what? Lead plus carbon dioxide. Yes or no? Here. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, so lead oxide is going to turn into lead, means in the sense of oxygen is removed or oxygen is added. Oxygen is removed or oxygen is added. Oxygen is removed. So means in the sense of what it is called as. It is
Reduction.
Reduction.
Carbon is
Lead
gained
oxide.
oxygen. Carbon is
Reduced.
gained oxygen. It is called as what? Gained
Oxidation.
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 Here,
Oxidation.
here carbon get oxidized. Carbon dioxide not. Carbon get oxidized and lead oxide is
Lead
getting
oxide
reduced.
is getting reduced.
Correct. So now let us check it. What is the correct answer now? So lead oxide is getting reduced or lead is getting reduced? Lead oxide is getting
Lead
reduced.
Lead
Correct.
oxide is getting
So-
reduced, sir.
Next, so here, first statement you can see, lead is getting reduced, they are saying. So it is what? Wrong answer.
Wrong statement.
Next, carbon or carbon dioxide getting oxidized?
Carbon.
Carbon dioxide. Carbon is getting oxidized, not carbon dioxide. So
Sir.
carbon dioxide is getting oxidized or carbon is getting oxidized?
Carbon.
Carbon is getting oxidized. So here carbon dioxide is getting oxidized, they have given. So what is happening? That is also become a
One
wrong
and
one.
two is incorrect.
So what is the correct answer?
Correct.
What is the things?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Understand, Nitinath? You said 1 and 3. Nitinath?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So be careful. So which is oxidized? See, carbon dioxide is not oxidized because carbon dioxide already having oxygen. Which is oxidized? Carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Lead oxide is reduced to lead. Understand, Ra? Clear, everybody? Nobody will answer. So,
Yes, sir.
so that is why, what is the correct answer?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. So 1 and 2 means what will come? So option A is the correct answer.
Option A.
Next, what happens
No,
if
but
we
option
try-
C is also wrong, no, sir.
option C? Yeah. How option C, Ashika? Can you explain me?
Sir, they have given lead is getting reduced, no, sir.
One given. No, then what about 3? 3 is correct only, correct? Carbon is getting
Yes, sir.
oxidized. Then how you can choose? You have to choose below incorrect. Incorrect means both we have to choose. Here 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 3, 2 and 4 is there. So then which is the correct answer? Only 2 statements are wrong. So 1 will be here, but 3 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Next question. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings? They are asked. Iron fillings. Iron fillings plus dilute hydrochloric acid. You can read. Please never call me a zebra. I like hydrogen. So
Hydrogen gas and iron
Hydrogen
chloride.
gas and iron chloride.
iron will react or not? First, that is you tell me. Iron will react or not? Yes or no? Iron will react or not?
Iron will
Yes.
react, sir.
Iron will react because iron is more reactive than hydrogen. So we used to get hydrogen gas. So metal plus acid will give you respect to salt plus hydrogen gas.
Option A, hydrogen
No,
gas.
guys. So what happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings? What will happen? Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Next, chlorine gas and iron hydroxide is produced. No reaction takes place. Iron, salt, and water are produced. So these all are wrong. What is the correct answer?
Option A, sir.
Option
is
A.
the correct answer.
Option A.
Because iron chloride is producing, and as well as hydrogen gas is producing. So which of the correct? Option A is the correct answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. So next, a student added dilute HCl to test tube containing zinc granules and made following observations. Zinc granules. So you can check it. So what is zinc granules? Zinc granules means a zinc which contains a small impurities is called as zinc granules. Be check it. To take place the reaction well, we'll use that one. So let it be. We don't want concern about it. So we want again HCl. So HCl is reacting with the zinc. So reaction will take place or not? That is you have to tell me. Call to absentees, please kindly. Reaction will take place or not? Tarani, Madhumita,
Yes, yes, sir.
Dilipan, Harini.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So zinc is more reactive or less reactive? Please never call me a zebra. I like hydrogen. So zinc is more reactive. More reactive than hydrogen. So we can say what is that? What is the products will come? Zinc chloride plus hydrogen
Zinc
gas. will
chloride
come.
plus hydrogen gas.
Yes. So now what is happening? Containing zinc granules, what is the observations we can make? They are asking. So a zinc surface become dull and black? No. The solution remain colorless? No. The solution becomes green in color? No. A gas evolved which burned with a what sound? Which burn with the what sound?
Hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas.
sound. What is the burning hydrogen sound? Pop sound. Understanding?
Pop sound.
Tup, 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 like that sound it will burn. That is what it is, pop sound we can say. See, now again I am saying you, to testing of hydrogen gas, we have two methods. How many methods, Ra? To testing of hydrogen gas? Two methods. So, method one is, if it is a pure hydrogen, it will burn with a blue flame. If it will bring the burning matchstick, the burning matchstick usually yellow color flame. Yes or no? If it is pure hydrogen is releasing, the flame will turn into blue color. Or else if it is impure hydrogen, then it will burn with a tup tup sound that is called as pop sound. So these are the two testing methods to identify the hydrogen is evolving or not in a given reaction. Do you understand, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Clear? That is. Hope you all understand. Yes or no? Harini, Ashika, Elmati, Arya.
Yes, sir.
That is. Please call to absentees. Next, which of the following are exothermic process they are asked? So please very careful and tell.
1 and 2, sir.
Option A, sir.
Person is saying 1 and 2. So how it is? Reaction of water with a quicklime. So quicklime means what is the formula, guys? CaO plus H2O. So which will give you what?
Yes.
Calcium hydroxide. Correct or not?
Hydroxide.
So calcium hydroxide. So this reaction is called as what? Exothermic reaction, as we know that. Next, evaporation of water, no, it will leaves you cooling. Sublimation of camphor also, it will leaves you cooling only. Now dilution of acid. Dilution of acid means what? It is exothermic or endothermic?
Exothermic.
Yes.
Exothermic, sir.
Exothermic reaction, dilution of acid, because lot of amount of heat energy will release. So that is why what is the correct answer? 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Next, the given diagram represents a dash reaction they are asking. So carefully read, observe the diagram carefully and answer the question. Anusri, everybody try to involve. Madhumita answer this question. Tarani, you also.
Sir, thermal decomposition.
Yes.
Thermal
Okay.
decomposition.
Akhil Arfan. It is what? Thermal decomposition. Why means you can see here. Here what is there? Bunsen burner. Are you able to find it? So mercury oxide, it will turns into what? Mercury plus oxygen gas. Yes or no, guys? So mercury oxide. So one substance is going to separating into how many? Two individual substance. So one substance is becoming more than one product, then that reaction is called as decomposition reaction. Yes or no, guys?
Decomposition reaction.
Decomposition reaction. Now here, what kind of decomposition? We have three kinds of decomposition reactions. So here we are heating. So that it is which reaction? Thermal decomposition reaction. That is. So if you will try to answer, it will be more convenient. That is. So I hope you all understand this question. Thermal decomposition. Yes or no? Madhumita? Yes. Next question read. Which of the following is correct for pH value they are asking? Correct, not wrong. Correct, they are asking. Correct. This much time, people.
Only 3, sir.
Sir, only 3.
Only 3 are. You are not
Only
reading the
two,
question
only two.
properly.
Sir,
Hmm?
only 2, sir.
Only two.
sir.
Only
Only
two.
2.
And only 2, sir.
Ashika, reading skills very poor.
Only 2. No,
Hmm?
sir, I thought incorrect, sir.
Incorrect. That is what thought and reading question is most important. I am saying you again and again. Okay. Reading skill, thought and all don't say. If you thought exam, it will leads to mistake only. Here I am there to rectify. Then who will rectify there? That is what I am saying. So which are the following are correct for pH value? Check it first one. A scale measuring hydronium ion concentration? No. It is both for H plus ions plus as well as OH minus ions. Yes or no? Hydronium ions means OH minus only. Yes or no? Please respond. Next, values less than 7 on the pH scale represents acidic solution. Yes or no? So 1 to 7,
Yes.
less than 7 acidic, 7 to 14 basic, and 7 basic for neutral. Yes or no? So that is what we have been studied. So next, so it is correct only. Next, third statement. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents an increase in hydrogen ion concentration. Is it increase in hydrogen ion or OH ions?
No, sir. OH
OH
Minus ions, it is increasing. So what is it? This is also wrong statement. So what is the correct one? Only 2 is the correct one.
Only 2.
Sir, no. Only 2 is the correct statement. Yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is. Akhil for understand, Ra? Akshaya? That is. Next question. Read next question.
Option C, sir.
Option C, observe moisture from the gas.
Observe moisture from the gas.
During the preparation of hydrogen chloride gas on a humid day, a gas is usually passed through the guard tube containing calcium chloride. The role of calcium chloride take in the guard tube is
Observe moisture.
absorb the evolved gas or absorb the moisture from the gas, absorb Ca. What is this? Chlorine ions from the evolved gas or moist in the gas? What is that? What is the answer?
C, sir.
Observe moisture
During
from
the
the gas.
preparation of hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride means what? Hydrogen chloride means HCl. Correct? Gas means it is not having any kind of moisture. So on a humid day, the gas usually passes through the guard tube containing calcium chloride. Calcium chloride means what? CaCl. Yes, guys. So the role of calcium chloride takes in the guard tube here. What is that? To observe the moisture from the gas. Because
Moisture from the gas.
yes, that is the importance of it. This is the even reaction. We people have been studied this. Correct? That is. So what is the correct answer? Observe moisture from the gas. Because to make it into water, to make it
Hydrogen
into
chloride.
yeah,
Hydrogen
chloride. Understanding hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid. Okay, that is. So next, the pH of a solution is 4 to 5. What should be the change in the hydrogen ion concentration of the solution if its pH is increased to 6? Carefully how to solve it. This question, little bit important. Remember, if pH value is increasing, what? Have you noticed it? pH value is increases from where to where?
Decreases by 10 of its original. D Sir, option, sir. decreases to
Yes,
1 by 10
because as I said, you do remember
Decreases to 1 by 10 of
0.1
its
means
original.
pH value 1, 0.2 means 0.01 means pH value 2. Like that, pH value increases 1 means the concentration of H plus ions will decreases by how much time, Ra? 1 by 10 times. That is how to remember it. Understand, Ra? pH value is decreases, then it is increases how much times? 10 times it is increases. Understand? So be careful with that. So pH value is increases one time. One means from one point to another point, then hydrogen ions will decreases. Its original concentration decreases by how much time? It is decreases by 1 by 10 times. Please remember that 1 by 10 means 0.1 times. Understand, Ra? So that pH scale, I taught you that 10 power minus 1 means pH value 1, 10 power minus 2 means pH value 2, 10 power minus 3 means pH value 3. I taught you or not? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. Are you understand what I am saying?
Whatever value they ask, the same concept only, no?
Yes, concept, same concept you have to follow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is. So option D is the correct answer. Next one. Bleaching powder is soluble in cold water, giving a milky solution. Due to what they are asking? Bleaching powder. Bleaching powder formula what?
Calcium oxychloride,
Yes.
CaO,
CaO, Cl2 will react with the water. So you can write the reaction. What is the product? Take your textbooks and see. I also forget. I don't have that much idea. Please check it, all of you. Your textbook it is having. What? Somebody is answering. Calcium hydroxide, Nitinath? Oh, okay.
calcium hydroxide plus chloride gives calcium oxychloride plus
So what will come? Calcium?
CaOH.
Yeah, CaOH twice plus
calcium hydroxide
Cl2.
plus chlorine.
Chlorine gas.
chlorine gas.
Calcium hydroxide plus chlorine.
Chlorine gas. Okay. Now what is the answer correct? You can check it here.
Chlorine.
Available chlorine.
So bleaching powder. So bleaching powder will react, it's soluble in cold water, giving a milky solution. So it will turns into what? A solution. Then what is happening here? It will form, it will react with water. The absorption of calcium carbon, the absorption of carbon dioxide from atmosphere, available chlorine available, not chlorine gas, it will form. So lime present in it and calcium carbonate formation. So calcium carbonate formation. So what will formation here? Can you able to answer? So mix with the answer. It will turns into milky, guys. Milky means in the sense of what? You have to remember. So it will turns into milky. Then what is happening? Yes, they are giving a milky solution. So milky solution it will turns because of what reason? Can you able to answer anybody? It will form in the calcium hydroxide. Okay, then why it is turning into milky? That is what the question. What is the how it when it will turns into milky?
CO2, sir.
Yes,
Carbon dioxide.
because
Carbon
it
dioxide.
absorb the absorption of carbon dioxide from
Carbon
the
dioxide.
atmosphere. That is the question you have to understand. So the bleaching powder is soluble in cold water, giving a milky solution because it will absorb the carbon dioxide from the what? From the water. From the atmosphere. That is why it is the correct answer. So little careful. So don't simply hear chlorine is evolving, so that don't choose that one. So that is. So next, hard water. So here also you can see calcium hydroxide as we know. So calcium oxide will react with the water. We used to get what, guys? Calcium hydroxide. Yes or no? So this calcium hydroxide will react whitewashing. If you apply the carbon dioxide, it will absorb. Then only it will turns into what? A calcium carbonate. Yes or no, guys? Yes?
Yes, sir.
A whitewashing. So that is why. So it will absorb the what? Carbon dioxide from atmosphere. So that is why it will turns into what? A milky solution. That is you have to remember. Okay, da? Yes? All of you?
Sir, then you can choose the D option also, no, sir.
Calcium
Option D
carbonate
also.
formation. Calcium carbonate formation, okay. But here turning into milky solution. It will turns into milky solution Because it will absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere.
Carbon
Understand,
dioxide.
Alumati?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is. Next, hard water is not available for an experiment in the school and its vicinity. However, some salts as given below are available in the school laboratory. This is not you have. Okay, you can see available in the school laboratory. Now select from the following a group of these salts, each member of which may be dissolved in water to make it hard. But actually this, you people don't have this. This is a water chapter. I don't know why this question they have given. So that is, this question is not related to you. Means make it water hard, we have to add some salts and make it soften also. Remove the hardness and making the permanent hardness and temporary hardness. This question you don't have. Then why they have given, I don't know. So let it be. You keep it, hold this one. We'll discuss that one later. So next coming to the next question, you can come. Choose the function of pancreatic juice from the following. What is the function of pancreatic juice? Arya?
D
Pancreatic
option,
juice.
sir. To Digest proteins and lipids digest.
Pancreatic juice, what is happening? The trypsin
Protein
digests the proteins and lipase digest the emulsified fats. Correct?
Emulsified fats.
Yes, that is the direct.
Option
This is
D.
the direct question which is known for us. Yes. So pancreatic juice, correct? Very good. So next, 12th question. The image shows the bread mold on a bread. How these fungi obtain nutrition? By eating the bread on which it is growing, or by using nutrients from the bread to prepare their own food, by breaking down the nutrients of bread and then absorbing them, by allowing other organisms to grow on the bread and consuming them. What is? So allowing other organisms to grow the bread and consuming them is wrong answer. Next, by using nutrients from the bread to prepare their own food, they won't prepare their own food. Then what is that? By breaking down the
nutrients of
By
bread
breaking
and
down the
nutrients of bread
nutrients of
and
bread
then
and then
absorbing them,
them.
because outside only they will break it and they will absorb it. Yes or no? That is why. So this is the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? By breaking down the nutrients of bread and then absorbing them. That is the functioning of fungi. Understand? Hope you all understand or not. Yes or no? This is not a new question also. Already came it is. That is. Next, a student set up an experiment to study the role of enzymes in digestion of food. Enzymes in digestion of food. In which test tube the digestion of protein will occur? In which test tube a digestion of protein will occur? Please. In which test tube a digestion of protein will occur?
Test tube B.
Test tube B. Very good. Because as we know, pepsin is in active in which medium? Acidic medium or basic medium? Acidic medium. That is very
Acidic medium.
good. So that is the thing you have to understand. So test tube B, as HCl will break down protein into simple molecules. No. Next, what is that? Test tube A is wrong. So as we know, test tube A is wrong means A and C options we can eliminate. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next,
Sir.
B or D, you can check it now. So as we know, you can see which is the correct answer. Option D. Why option D? Because as we know, test tube B, as HCl will act to pepsin for breakdown of protein into simple molecules. Right or wrong? Because pepsin is active in which medium? Acidic medium only. So that is what you can say. So test tube B, as HCl will act to pepsin for breakdown the protein into simple molecules. So what is the correct answer? Option D is the correct option. Hope you all understand. Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Madhumita, Dilipan. Both pepsin and trypsin are active in acidic medium only. Kindly remember that. So now read this question. All of you read. Read the question, Ra. A student set up an experiment to study the human respiratory system. In the experiment, the student places candle and a living cockroach in the flask A. Next one, while a candle and a dead cockroach in a flask B. So the burning of candle needs oxygen. After 10 minutes, the student observes that the candle in flask A extinguishes faster while candle in flask B keeps burning for a long time. What can be evolved from this experiment? Can you answer? One is a dead one. See, first one, dead
The
cockroach. First one is live
Use the
cockroach.
CO2 for
Yes, here dead cockroach. So what is happening? Can you answer?
the cockroach uses
Yeah.
CO2 for
Yes, here dead cockroach. Here dead cockroach. So no respiration will take place. No carbon dioxide will release. So that the whatever the oxygen is present inside this one, so it will help to burn the candle long period of time. Yes or no? But here what is happening?
Yes, sir.
The cockroach will do the respiration process. So it will take the oxygen which is present inside the beaker, and also it will release which gas, Ra? Also it will release carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is a supporter of combustion or extinguisher. It is a
Extinguisher of
non-supporter.
combustion.
So that is. So
Yes,
what we have to answer here? Candle produces high amount of carbon dioxide. Living beings consumes oxygen during respiration. Burning of candle decreases the
Option B,
lifespan of
sir.
cockroach. Water vapors produced by living beings prevents
B,
burning of
Living
candle.
Option
beings
B,
consumes
sir.
oxygen during
Option B.
respiration.
Living beings consumes oxygen during respiration. Understand? Ra? So the candle produces high amount, wrong. Understanding? These all are wrong. So what is the correct answer? Living beings consumes oxygen during respiration. That's
During
all. So that they will release the carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide will extinguish the cockroach. Will extinguish the fire. Yes or no, guys? That is okay. Now this diagram is not a new diagram for us. It is already known diagram. I think your revision exam also it came. Correct, guys?
Lungs, pulmonary vein, left
Yeah.
atrium, left
Option
ventricle,
A, sir.
aorta, body cells.
Yeah, you
A,
can check
option
it.
A.
What is that?
Option A.
Lungs first. Lungs.
Not-
Next, what will come? Pulmonary vein.
Pulmonary
So
vein,
pulmonary
left
artery,
atrium,
you
left
can get
ventricle,
cancelled. Yes, guys.
aorta.
Yes, see, pulmonary artery, you can remove. Pulmonary vein only. Next what? Left atrium. So here they are
Left
saying right
atrium,
atrium.
left
So what is the correct
ventricle.
answer?
Aorta and body cells. Option A.
That's all.
Option A.
Option A is the correct answer. Yes, guys. That's all. Very simple. Next, this is what? This is already we know platelets during blood damage, during injuries and all. Blood it will be clotted. Correct, guys. What is the importance of platelets? I have taught you this one. Do you remember? Connecting tissues,
Yes,
blood
sir.
platelets function. Hernia, that is. So the image shows the healing of a wound. Now, when the bleeding is taking place, based on the image, which option explains this process? Can you answer? Platelets form clot by plugging the site of injury. Next, platelets uses components of broken vessels to form clot. Red blood cells divide and replace. Red blood cells wrong. So first two options only. Can you answer anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, red blood cells not. Only platelets will form that. I know that. So we have been studied. So that is the main importance of platelets. Yes, guys. So what is happening? You have to-
Option A, sir.
Yes, sir.
Option A.
Platelets form clot by plugging
Yes.
the site of
So platelets form clot by plugging the site of injuries. Understanding? So that is the importance of it. So that is what you have to remember it. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, Ra? Everybody. Next, second option, why can't? Because they're saying platelets uses components of broken vessel. So broken vessels cannot be. So they cannot rejoin from the clotting. So what will happen? They only will come and will clot. Have you noticed it? So this all the see here damage takes place. So bleeding is taking place through this. All the RBC will go out. So now here what will happen? These platelets will come and will block it. Will blocking. Have you noticed it? Later here what is happening?
Yes.
The red blood cells will be just stopped here. So that is what we can say clotting of blood. So it is taking place plugging the site of injury. Just they will clot by plugging each other. That is what it is the correct answer. Next question. Yes. Next 17th question. Can you answer? You solve this question. Already, I think this question I only prepared. Do you remember the question which I have been submitted for Sahodaya? I have taught you this question. Do you remember the picture? If you remember the picture, you maybe remember the answer. Yes, guys. Sahodaya paper, I only prepared this question. Do you remember? We have been solved this question, Varshini. Yes. I don't know. Okay, you start. You prepare. You solve it. This question I only prepared for the Sahodaya paper. I remember. Now I am shocking by seeing this question. Really. Yes. Answer. They solve it also don't know. This much time you people are consuming. If you're not answering, then what is the use? A diagram below shows a sketch of an object of height 4 centimeter. You cannot find it. 4 centimeter, placed 6 centimeter from a convex lens here. So the image is virtual, upright, twice the height of the object and situated 12 centimeter from the lens. It is convex lens or concave lens? Convex lens. Correct?
Convex lens.
Now, A, B, C are the right rays incident on the convex lens. Determine the position of the principal focus of the convex lens they are asking. You cannot find
24
it.
centimeter option.
What am I?
Option C.
Option C, 24 centimeters. It is a convex lens. Focal length is positive. That is what the first thing you have to conclude. Correct or not? Now check it. So now, magnification is twice. That is all we don't want now. As we know, here you can check it. What is that? Placed 6 centimeter from a convex lens. Now, what is the image located 12 centimeters? So, -6 and -12. Yes or no, guys? Both are same axis. Yes or no? So now, 1 by f is equals to what is the formula?
Yes, sir.
1 by v minus 1 by u. Yes, guys? So 1 by f is equals to 1 by v. V means what? -12 minus of -6, which is equals to what? -1 by 12 and plus 1 by 6. What is the LCM, Ra? 12 and 6. 12 and 6 LCM is 12. Yes or no? So -1. Here it will come how much, Ra? Wrong answer you got. So plus 2 will come. Yes, guys?
Yes.
Nobody will answer.
Yes, sir.
So plus 2 will come. So which is equals to how much it will come?
1 by 2.
1 by 12. 1 by 12. So 1 by f is equals to 1 by 12. So f is equals to what? 12 centimeters. So you said 24. So 24 is wrong. So what is the correct answer? 12 centimeter.
12
B.
centimeter.
12 centimeter. Then before you said 24, they are asking what is that for principal focus of the convex lens. So how much it will come? 12 centimeter.
12.
That is very good. Ra. You have to solve this question faster. Then what is this? Next, which of the following is reflection not essential? Not essential. Ra. Check it. In which of the following is reflection not essential? Reflection not essential. A projector lens. Actually, these are the questions from ours only. Our question paper only they have been pasted. Have you seen it? Which of the following is reflection not essential? A thick plane mirror forms multiple ghost images. A projector lens forms an image of a slide on a screen. Which one, Amma?
Projector.
Reflection, Amma. Hello, everywhere. A fish has a very wide angled view of the objects above water. A mirage is seen on a distant road on a hot sunny day. So everything is having reflection. Here also reflection. Next, a fishy with very wide angle. Here also reflection in water.
Not
A projector lens.
A option, sir.
Option A, a thick plane mirror forms a multiple ghost
Yes, sir. Thick
images.
mirror forms multiple
Understand?
ghost.
Yes, that is. So projector lens forms an image of a slide screen. This is all the reflection is taking place. So in which of the following is reflection not essential? In forms a multiple ghost images. That is. Next, this one. A ray of light is traveling from glass to air. Which ratio is called the refractive index of glass? Refractive index of glass they are asking. So check it very carefully and tell me. Glass to air. It is going from like this. So they are asking refractive index of glass to air. Refractive index of glass to air, which is equals to what will come?
Sin A by
Ah,
sin G.
Sin A by sin G. Very good.
Sin G.
That's all. So which option? Option C. Very good. Next. A student learns that the scattering of sunlight depends on the wavelength and the frequencies of the light and the size of particles present in the atmosphere. The student collects the data about the wavelength frequencies of the visible light and the size of the particles as shown. So now, what is this? Which particles will scatters blue light least? They are asking. So least scattering, what we have been done already. We have been discussed this one. Least scattering means what? Big particle size. So you can check it. P and D. What is that? P and D. P is small. No, wrong. Next, what is that?
C
L
and
and A won't come. C and I won't come. C and A least scattered there.
A.
In this given particles only how to check it. So C is what? 120 only. So wherever C is there, it won't come. It won't come. Next, either C or A option only it is coming. So L you can check it. L 820. A how much? 320. Next P check it. P is how much? 520. And E is how much? 920. So what is that?
920.
P and A.
P and E, sir.
Because
E and A, sir.
in these given options, these are the maximum sized particles. So that is why that is the correct answer. Next.